What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Currently outside, have the carpet out there soaking up some sun rays. I had it out here yesterday on the patio, but not enough sunlight was hitting it, so it didn't get too many of the wrinkles out. So I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer sitting out here, and hopefully it gets some of the deeper wrinkles out that are currently in it, and then we can go ahead and take it in the garage and start trimming what needs to be trimmed. Go ahead and get a quick workout in. And on the last vlog, I didn't realize that I never gave you guys a good look at the seats.
What are you doing, man? That's my bad.
I didn't even take them out of the plastic. They don't feel too bad because I haven't seen them myself. I don't even know what they look like. I just know that they're black. But I promise that here and shortly, when I get the carpet in the garage, I'll go ahead and give you guys a real good look at them. I'll take the plastic off and let you check them out, and let me know down below if you like them or not. Hell, I don't even know if I'm gonna like them yet. But stay tuned for that, and hope you guys stay tuned for the whole video, and let me know what you guys think. Alright, Friday today. I got my road dog over here with me. She wasn't feeling good, so we're gonna go run some errands. We are in the red light in Mama's truck, right? Go run some errands real quick and then get back home and start installing that carpet. Current condition. Pull that carpet out. And as promised, there's a look at the seats. Unwrap this one so you guys can check it out. There's one of them. A little dirty for my kids, but you guys get the idea. Black carpet is in the gym room. As soon as I take this one out, I'll go ahead and grab that one and bring it over here and start trimming. Dirty factory carpet. Gonna clean that up too, vacuum it, clean it up real good. Got Aaron right here helping me out. Hey, dog.
What's up, man?
Got all the inside wiped down, good. Now I'm gonna check this out and see what all we gotta trim. I need a drink. Alright, so here's where we are at right now. Big shout out to Aaron. Damn carpet requires a lot of trimming and patience. Appreciate you, Aaron, for helping me out. Staying. I'm gonna let it sit overnight and kind of learn the shape of the truck, and continue trimming tomorrow in the morning, and then get the brackets put in and get the center console all set up, trim that out, and call it a night. Back at it. We're gonna have to tap these two spots right here, and that's where the Expedition brackets are gonna have to go for the console. So we're gonna have to tap those two spots, and we'll have to tap this one as well for the front, for the bracket to the Corbeau seat. Good thing I still have this kit in the attic. I've had it for years. You can see the installation from the attic. That's what we're gonna do next, and then get the carpet back in there and trim a little bit more. Finished up tapping those. That one's good. That one's good. And that one. Let's get this carpet back in here. After more trimming, finally at this point, it's about as good as it's gonna get. Jade. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut those holes out, cut out those little spots for the brackets to mount flush against the floor. This is the part that I was kind of worried about, but I'm gonna take my time, and I got this. Decided to open up the garage door finally. Anyways, got those mounted, got them cut out. I didn't want to cut out too much material because I've seen that there's a gap when you mount the console there. So I didn't want to take out too much material. We got those bolted down, tightened up. Now, I guess we're going to move on to the brackets, the seat brackets, get those all situated. And then the seats themselves, or center console. One of them, but let's get to that. Driver's seat in, mounted. Gotta go get some hardware for the seatbelt, but that was not that bad. I'm liking the way it's coming together. Could have done it a little quicker if I would have had more room on that side, if the truck was outside the garage, but not complaining at all. Looks really good. Refreshments. Keep going. Finally. Better late than never. I got some help. Got my son Anthony over here. The real 𝑳𝑰𝑮𝑯𝑚 Jr. decided to come give his dad a hand. He's gonna help me put in this passenger seat, get the bracket all bolted in, get this seat in there. This guy over here showed up, and over here finishing up tightening the seat. That's all we're gonna do today. Tomorrow we're gonna have to go to Lowe's, go get these little bolts and washers and nuts so that we can mount the seat belts in. Do a little modifying for this one. Stock driver side, sure bolts are fine. That'd be it. Slide the Expedition console in there. Yeah, that's a wrap today. Got these two bolted all in, so that's good. Good job, Ant. Aaron, not so good job.
Yeah! Fire!
Alright, we got the seat belts all painted, put together. Also over here we have the center console ready to go in next. If you guys didn't see the last video, the part 1 of this, you can check it out and see how I put this together. How it looked before in this pic to how it is now. Alright guys, decided to bring her out, stretch her legs a little bit. Sun's going down. Put her out real quick, test out the seats, see how they feel. Swapped out the wheels in the back real quick. We will have those on for this weekend coming up. Yeah, here's the finished product. Wrote on this finished product. Seats, they're in. Corbeau seats, Expedition console. I'm really happy with how it came out. Still got a vacuum, but real happy how it feels, how it looks. Appreciate all you guys who tuned in, stayed, watched the whole video. Hope you guys are happy with the interior, as happy as I am with the interior. We will see you guys at the LMR event on the next one. Stay tuned for that. If you could, like this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, you know. Until next time, guys, I appreciate y'all. We're out.